Thank you for purchasing this SOJAG product, which you'll enjoy all year long. If you need additional instructions, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service line at 1-855-659-4402. Replacement parts are always available, so please do not return the product. If a part breaks, simply order a replacement part using the part number on the gazebo. It's important to anchor the gazebo to the ground, making sure it's well squared to keep it from moving or becoming damaged in strong winds. Use Tapcon screws for concrete surfaces and wood screws for wood surfaces. The installation should be done by a minimum of 2 people. Be sure to install it on a level surface. Open the box and carefully unpack all the parts. Group the parts together by type and place them on the lawn or on a blanket to avoid damaging them. You're now ready to begin the installation. Attach a base M1 to the bottom of each column A and A1 using the screws V. Screw a column A and a column A1 to the ends of a long track B, using the screws U on the inside of the track. Repeat for the short tracks C. Use the screws X on the outside of the track. Install the corner covers W at each corner using screws Y. On the inside of the structure, attach the roof contour bars F1 to the upper part of the tracks B, and the roof contour bars F2 to the upper part of the tracks C, using the screws Y. Attach the roof bars E to the inside roof connector K1 using the screws V. Place the roof structure on top of the tracks. Screw the roof bars E to the columns A and A1 using the screws V. Temporarily attach one end of a small roof bar R2 to a roof bar E using a screw V. Next, align the other hole of the same bar R2 with the holes of a long bar R1 and a finishing end M2. Attach all three to a roof bar E with a screw V. Repeat around the structure with the remaining R1 and R2 bars and the rest of the finishing ends M2. Remove the temporary screw to attach the bars and finishing end at the final corner. Unpack the small roof panels P, P1, and P2. Attach the metal brackets D1 to the roof panels. Refer to the illustrations in the instruction manual for the quantity and location. Place the roof panels on the structure as indicated in the manual. In the same way as in Step 8, attach the bars J and J1 and the finishing ends M2 to the roof bars E using the screws V. Again, start with temporarily attaching one end of the first bar to a roof bar. Remove the temporary screw in order to attach the bars and the finishing end in the final corner. Attach the outside roof connector K to the inside roof connector K1 using the two hooks WA and a screw U. Unpack the roof panels N, N1, O, O1, and O2. Attach the metal brackets R and D1 to the roof panels. Refer to the illustrations in the instruction manual for the quantity and location. Place the roof panels on the roof as shown in the manual. Screw the roof panels to the roof contour bars F1 using the nuts and bolts T. Attach the decorative panels D to the columns A and A1 using the screws X1. Attach the support brackets G1 to the decorative panels D, using the nuts and bolts S. Place the shelves G on the support brackets G1 and attach them using the screws X2. Congratulations! You're now ready to enjoy your SOJAG barbecue shelter.